Hi, I'm Hannah Majeski, and this is my EDCI 270 Survey and Tool Assessment video. Today I'll be showing you how we can assess data from using Google Forms and different types of surveys for our students to take so we can get a little bit of feedback on what to do. So in my case, I tested over types of disabilities, and what Google Forms is, it gives you a platform so they can put their answers to the survey questions. So none of these, they can be turned into quizzes, however, but I just did a survey. So like some of the questions were like types of disabilities they've noticed and defining what a disability means for me. And so I looked at some of the data I got back, and here's some emails and some of the like tables and charts from the data that I got back. So what I can take from here is the types of disabilities people have noticed, and I asked what a disability means to them and their definition, and then I also asked for like methods of like how to treat our students and how do you think teachers can help. And this just gives me a platform that I can see where students are at and where their headspace is like on the topic. And I feel like this helps with a lot of teachers to assess their students and whatever they may be teaching. Thank you.